volleyball tournament. On your left, the finals MVP, Charlene Cruz, the former LaSalle lady spiker. On your right, Rhea Di Maculangan. We said the post-Cha Cruz era, the post-Rhea Di Maculangan era. And it's funny, in the interview with Cha Cruz that I did last year after winning, she said she wanted to take a break from volleyball. Nothing to do with volleyball, for health reasons and also, you know, para makapagpahinga. So obviously she doesn't want to get involved for a while. Sa kabila naman, Rhea, right on the bench.
That's right. But I'm sure those two have something in common today. After seeing this, after experiencing...
mga ngating maglaro.
Gustong-gusto mag-uniforme ngayon yan.
Sigurado. Those competitive juices flowing. Chu. Off speed works. Pancake, di nakuha. Saran.
Fourth point for Q here in the first set. This time it's an off speed, so you can see that she's not very predictable. No, she can send out those strong hits and get those off speeds going as well.
So we're seeing different arsenal dito kay Chu. Pero ito si Micah Ortiz, nakita na natin ilang beses yan pag pumalo at humampas. She called for it.
Yeah, and I believe Micah Ortiz should take a different kind of a role for this season. It's her last year. And dapat yung tapang medyo manggaling na sa kanya to show the rest of the other teams that she's really out here to win a championship.
You know, let's put it this way. We say it's the Rhea Di Maculangan after party now for UST. But last year, they were trying to get over the loss of Isa Maiso.
Yeah.
And Isa was so valuable to that team in more ways than one. Yung angas, yung closer, yung composure.
That's right.
And of course, yung palo no Isa Maiso. And her leadership capability, which is something that we kind of saw lacking at UST last year. Somebody who would pull them together. And then they had a new coach pa.
Audrey Mamon.
New in terms of being the head coach.
That's true.
Adjustment period para sa UST yun last year.
That's right. That's why Micah Ortiz, I think that's the spot, that's the position she has to play for this year.
Yes, you're right. It's a good point.
Not only the kind of play that she does on the floor, but you know, making sure that everyone is on the same page and everyone is heads up every single time.
Again, like Maiso back then, she was the one who pulled everybody together. Parang pag sinabi niyang sakay kayo sa akin, ganun talaga yung nangyayari. Buhat. 18 all.
Very, very close first set. And people were really talking about this one, and you'd hear talks of preview of the championship, It's early, but the way that these two teams are playing,
parang nagpapakita. Of course, that's no disrespect to the opening day winners, Adamson and Ateneo. That's an offensive block, as we call it in volleyball. Straight down. Gumabaw, one of the best blockers last year.
Solid block right there. Walang lulusutan yung bola ni Maru.
I call her the athlete. She's built like one. She plays like one. Overcooked by the captain, Abigail Moraño. Who, by the way, going back to that interview that I had with them after they won the championship, she's actually, you know, interested in broadcasting, behind the scenes, TV and all that, as she commits the reception error there. Some of the sides of these players and sometimes surprises us when we find out.
UST takes back the lead, 20-39.
Can you believe she's the team captain right now? Parang kailan lang na rookie siya with Jack Alarca, and she was just a sub. Going off of the bench.
Matanda na lang talaga.
Yan
ba yung point?
Siningit. Oh, no touch on the block.
Swipe doesn't work. And of course, there's a little talking on the net when you talk about these two teams.
All right.
Ito
What's that?
May challenge ba?
Was that a sub card?
I don't know if it was a sub card or a challenge paddle.
LaSalle calls for challenge.
All right, because that's the new
rule this year.
Yeah.
Explain, Doc. Well, each team gets a challenge, an opportunity to challenge a call every set, just one. And if you can't carry it over to the next set. So they're going to challenge this call.
It's the same as the other leagues that are implementing such a rule like the NBA.
Which is more of a
tennis.
video
Yeah.
replay more than anything else, really. Because tennis, you can't really compare because they use like the Hawkeye technology for certain things. So it's more of a video review. And the rule is, there's a call that's made. And Doc, you were saying that pagka mali yung tawag, replay the point.
I was talking to our commissioner,
Yes.
Mr. Rustico Oti Kamangyan.
Correct.
And he mentioned that if the replay would show that it's the right call, then the call sticks and the point goes as the play went on. But if the call was made and it was a mistake based on the review, there's going to be a replay of the point. So walang magpupunto sa kabila.
And the point stays with UST kasi yun ang
That's
tinuro.
original call.
Yun yung tinuro na outside. Walang swipe.
That's right. So each team would have a chance to get that challenge 1 per set. Ayun.
At hindi maidadala yan. Pag di mo ginamit sa first set, you don't get 2 challenges
That's right.
in the next. You only get 1 per set. And if the point will stay rather for UST. And again, reception error here by no less than the libero herself. Vanessa Gohei.
Good serve by Michael Ortiz.
Tatlo na po ang abante. And itong UST. They look confident. Let's listen to Lasal.
Isignan mo na tapos chat, hindi ko pwedeng gano'n lang, tatapik-tapikin mo na yung bola. Mablakan ako, mabablakan yan sa loob. Perfect ka rin. Ha? Yung kailangan natin maturity sa loob. At doon sa loob, hindi gano'n. Naglagay-lagay lang yung bola eh. Kalabay nagpapamatay yung magtaas ng bola. Pagka tumaas yung bola, hataw na walang bola. So, hindi tayo po pwede nung tayo, naglalagay lang, sila pumapalo. Atake tayo pag nakataas ng bola. Okay, go.
Ian, your thoughts?
First of all, cool na cool. Coach Ramil
As usual.
De Jesus, he already had 2 seasons with a clean slate in the elimination. So he knows what's going on, and he said the right thing. In a calm voice, he said, USC is beating us in offense. They're hitting us with strong spikes. Tayo, binabalik lang natin, inaabot lang natin. And that's not going to work right now.
What a dive by Banatikla here right beside us. Real effort, but the point will go to Lasal. How dominant has Lasal been? Let's put it in this number, Ian, as we look at this play again from Nika Reyes at yung habol ni Banatikla sa tabi ng bench ng UST. 40-2 in the elimination round in the past 3 seasons.
Wow.
Ang Lasal. 40-2. 2-9.
Right wing attack.
Right, USC showing them a lot of different looks. This time it was a back set to Tunay. Lantin doing an excellent job, like what I mentioned when we started this set. That was the big question mark for the UST squad for this year.
Oh.
Tunay with a service
Wide serve from Lantin, or from
substitution.
Tunay.
7, Gumabaw out. 9, Fajardo.
Fajardo comes in.
1, Esperanza
And
out.
Tan also
12,
for
Tan
Lasal.
in.
Talking about Kim Fajardo, the rookie.
Third-year player is Alexander Tan.
Si Kim ang mapipintang papalit kay Esperanza dito.
Fajardo
She is listed
for Lasal.
as a center. Sorry, as a setter, rather. UST ahead by 2. Make that 3. May karga, no? Palo ni Banatikla.
Banatikla. Parang nasa beach lang.
Grabe itong mga player natin sa volleyball. Napaka-active even off
Time out,
season.
Lasal.
That loaded attack by Maru Banatikla to give them set point.
Importante yung gagawin natin. Sige, tsaga pa tayo. Tsagayin natin to. 3. 5 is to 5. 5 points. 5 points. Okay, go. Kailangan sa 5.
Great crowd here at the arena in San Juan. 7 championships for that team, LaSalle. 14 for this team as a school for UST.
And most of those 14 championships during the era.
Coach August Santa Maria era. Banatikla at set point is in her hands.
USC at set point.
Ito rin, parang rookie lang kumakailan, ano? That's out. Great decision by Maraño.
By
Yung
Banatikla.
fourth-year player na.
22 serving 24. And it is Reyes to do the honors. Second-year player. Originally from St. Scholastica's College. Lantin. Caballejo. Checked. Tusaran was there for coverage. Uy, ibinigay lang sa Lasal.
Free
Galang.
ball.
Another chance for Caballejo.
Off the block.
Chu able to dig that one up. Easy pickings for Tunay. Caballejo for the third time. Boy pa! One more time. Why not? Fajardo was there. Will they go 5 straight? Lantin closes the set.
Look at Lantin. Look at Lantin go all over the floor.
And the delight of the USD Growling Tigers crowd here as the now Lantin era.
You can say it that way, Boo. Pwede na.
As she takes over. Look at that, making everybody else a donut hole in the LaSalle defense. And the defending champions lose the first set in their debut game. Season 75 of the UAAP. Matagal-tagal pa tayo maglalaro dito. Marami pa pwede mangyari. Second set comes your way when we come back.